Hey Dawn, let's leave the West Coast.
But where can we go?
I don't know, but this is season 2.
And that's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we had in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west.
And now we're...
Hey, that's what the whole video's about. Don't give it away in the beginning, gosh.
On this channel, we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on amazing adventures like the one we're starting now.
Yay. So if you're new here, click subscribe to join the younger gang, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
If you haven't seen our season 1 adventures, you can click right up here to get all caught up. In our first season, we have gotten rid of the house and all the stuff. We've packed up everything. The kids and the dog, the most important things. And we headed out. And we headed northwest. We went to Washington. We went to Canada. We spent some time in Alaska. Not with the RV, not yet.
Not yet, it's coming.
We weren't quite that daring. And then we headed down the West Coast.
All the way to Southern California.
So I could start class and we could explore what California has to offer.
Which is a lot, by the way.
Yeah, we haven't really even scratched the surface yet.
No, there's so much more we want to do.
But we've enjoyed it quite a bit.
It's awesome.
And I loved my first year of seminary.
We really have enjoyed it. Finding a church, meeting people, going to the same parks, we see the same people over and over, and that's really cool. We've really enjoyed that.
And we've been talking about what do we want to do next? You know, do we want to go do Route 66 for the summer, or go to the East Coast, or go to Canada, or what?
We were really just talking about plans for the summer while he was off school.
Right.
But sometimes plans change.
Yeah, we connected with this other family who has 4 kids as well and are doing this crazy life. And we just hit it off. We connected in Southern California. We went up to Northern California together. And by the time that trip was done, which was really spring break, we decided, you know what, we're gonna do something completely different and head somewhere else and meet up for the summer and beyond.
So you guys may have seen them in our Pismo Beach video. If you haven't, you can check that out right up here, but that's the first video that we did that had them in it. But you're gonna be seeing a lot more of them. And this is the Day family. So it's not very often that you randomly park beside someone at a park and they end up being as close of friends as we became so fast. But when God has a plan, it works out that way.
And he has a way of changing our plans.
That's right.
So they had already made plans to go to the east, and we had been talking about maybe doing the East Coast for the summer.
And we decided it might be a little bit longer than just the summer this time.
Along the way, we decided that maybe we could do some community type things together, right? Like homeschooling together.
Eating dinners together.
Every other night dinners, and really try something, you know, kind of different.
Yeah, we were excited to do something where our kids would have people to play with all the time, and we would have community and just get to do some really fun things with some really cool people.
We spent about a month together on the West Coast, right?
Yep.
And then we said goodbye to them for now.
Yeah, it was really hard for people we had only known for a month.
Yeah.
We had gotten so close so fast that it was a really hard goodbye.
Yeah, it was tough. The kids were sad. Everybody was a little emotional.
Yeah.
Hold on. Bye. It won't be too long, only a month and a half.
But once seminary was done for the semester and we could kind of start making our way to the West Coast, we did.
So we ended up in Acton for the last weeks of his school, and then we started heading east. We went to Las Vegas and ended up staying there longer than we had planned.
Yeah.
We really enjoyed getting to know some people at Hope Church there. If you're ever in Vegas, definitely check out Hope Church there. Absolutely amazing. And our kids went to Vacation Bible School there.
It was awesome.
And it was really cool. We made some really great friends.
After spending 5 weeks in Las Vegas, we decided we should take a long time to get to the East Coast and do it in about, what was it, 5 days, 6 days? gonna see the Vandalia dragon. Danger! Dragon breathes fire! Who are we gonna let put it in? Let's let Ansley put it in. She's the littlest, okay? Here you go, Ansley.
15.
Okay, well, that's that cool?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get the car. Let's get out of here. There you go, Missy. Get in there, girl. Hey y'all, last night we stopped in Cross Creek Camping Resort in Delaware, Ohio. And as you can see behind me, it is quite beautiful. We got a nice, massive spot. You see behind me there. There's room for the truck, the trailer, and the Suburban, which is great. We rolled in real late, so we're trying to get as quick of a start as we can today. We've done something like, I don't know, 2,000 miles over the last few days, and just have about 500 or 600 to go today. So can't wait to see you days. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Here we are in Pennsylvania. What did you ask, Ansley? About Pennsylvania?
Does that mean we're close to the Jays?
Yes!
Yay!
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 Yay, Pennsylvania! Oh my gosh, rough road. Here we come, New York. Get ready for us. So we went from Las Vegas, Nevada to where we are now, which, ta-da, we're in
Alaska, New York.
in about 6 days.
It was nuts. It was a crazy, crazy trip. But it was fun and we're here.
Yes, that was the thing. We connected up with friends, and now we're ready to start this new adventure, exploring the East Coast, doing life together. So I hope that you will join us on this next stage of our journey. We're gonna be checking out things that the East Coast has to offer. I don't think we're gonna get it all. We're gonna have to come back.
There's no way. There's so much out here.
But we're gonna try to hit a few things and share it with you.
And eventually we'll make our way back to California for Cole to finish school.
Absolutely, that's gonna happen. That's what we're up to. That's the announcement.
We're really excited for this next season.
Yes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up and let us know, or just give us a thumbs up if you're excited about exploring the East Coast with us and checking out what it has to offer.
And if you haven't yet, join the Younger Gang so you can be part of this awesome community.
How can they join our community, babe?
All you have to do is click subscribe below.
And if you haven't seen some of our other videos, or even if you have, watch them again, check out some of our other ones right over there. So, heading to the West Coast so I can go to school, and then meeting some amazing people and having God totally change our plans for the short term. And heading to the East Coast and sharing it with you, that's just another way we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.